Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am back with a new beaded Sari kit. And I'm excited about this. These are new saris that I've gotten in. You saw a little sneak peek of some of these in the Vintage Gypsy book, but now I'm offering them in the $10 snippet bags. So I love these kits, and I know you guys do too, and I've had a few people waiting and asked me when I was going to be bringing these out again. So there's some really unusual stuff in here this time. I think you're going to like it. So let me just go through and share with you what is in this kit. Look at that with the pearls and the big gemstone in the middle. So pretty. So pretty. There's a lot of heavily beaded pieces in this kit this time. And there is, of course, still the silk pieces. These are beaded. This is beaded. Look at the sparkle. And look at this. This is the big Mama Jamma. That's as big as my hand. And those are all rhinestones in there. Just absolutely gorgeous. And the reason they're cut like this is so I could get the most out of the trim. Because there was a row of these, so I wanted to make sure that every snippet kit had one, so that's why they're cut like that. But you can just cut around it. These are machine stitched, so you do not have to worry about the stones coming off. So that was kind of cool. That's why I really liked this one, because you don't have to worry about any of that coming off. So these are all stones up here, and all these rhinestones, and then there is little tiny seed beads all along the bottom here. Super pretty. And then there's another piece of this. I absolutely love this one. This is one of my favorites. And an old favorite, the gold. This one is new as well. This was in the Vintage Gypsy book. Oh, look, this one has two of these in it. You never know what's going to be in this one. And then there is another piece of this, a smaller piece, but just as gorgeous, just as beautiful, still with rhinestones and seed beads. I mean, look at that sparkle. It's amazing. There is a piece of the mirrored trim, and those are real mirrors on there. Beautiful mirrors. And then this is super unusual, and I really love it. This has a green lace with sequins and seed beads on the bottom. And then it has this big flower here. And then it has these really unusual pieces with seed beads and this mossy green trim. And then it's got like a metal flower there with seed beads. This is all metallic trim here, and then all these flowers. Like, so cool. You could probably take these flowers off if you unpick them. Yeah, you probably could. And then you'd have like separate flowers with these really cool puffy pieces in it. I don't know how else to explain it. It's really different and unusual. I love it. And wouldn't this look great as part of like a fairy journal? I love that. This is some of the block printing. Some of them will have pink flowers and some of them will have green flowers. And then this is another beautiful piece. This is a nice big piece. Gorgeous. Some of the beautiful gold lace. I'm still having, including some of that in there. And then these are all new pieces as well. So this beautiful gold, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's almost like a brocade. And it's silk. It's beautiful. I don't know, because it's kind of dark here today, so I'm sorry about that. I hope you can see some of that. Super pretty. And then this beautiful burgundy. And look at the raw silk on the bottom here. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. And then these two pieces are large. I gave everybody a nice big piece of this. Absolutely stunning piece. This is all tiny little pearls all around here and all along the bottom. I hope you can see those. But look how beautiful that is. And the thread, this is all wire thread. That's not gold thread, it's wire thread. So it's really, really beautiful. I love that. Super pretty. So there's that piece in blue, and then there is this gorgeous red piece with the pearls and the wire and tiny little metal pieces here. I don't even know if my camera can pick them up, they're so tiny, but this here is all like metal beads. But these are all super tiny pearls all around the edge. So those are nice big pieces. This is a beautiful piece of silk with roses. Another beaded piece here. Gold silk. Block printing. And these are hand done, these ones. Lovely piece of rusty colored sari, and it has some hand dot painting on here. I don't know if my camera will pick it up. It's in silver. Hopefully you can see that on my hand there. And then this beautiful piece with the tiny, tiny little beads in it. Where's that side? This is, I know it's hard to see, but it's in a beautiful light blue color. And then this piece I love. Look at this. With the gold thread. I just love that. And then there's an embroidered piece here. It's green and gold, like a moss green and gold. Another beaded piece here. Another beaded piece here. So there's lots of beading in these snippet kits. And then last but not least, these pretty beaded flowers. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 pieces. So that's a screaming good deal, I think. 28 pieces for 10 bucks. And I will just keep going with these snippet kits till they're sold out. If you want 2 snippet kits, I will try and make them as different as possible, unless you want them both pretty much the same. But I'll try and make them different. If you want 2, I'll sell you 2 for $18 or 1 for $10. So let me know. You can contact me through my email, which is in the description box down below, or you can just leave a comment on here and I will get back to you. But if you email me, I need your zip code, postal code, your state, and your PayPal email, because it's PayPal only. Thanks, guys. Bye.